Drink water. You want some water, Mama? No, not from there. Push it.
One. Go. Oh! Oh no! Help her out real quick.
Red flag on the boat. Erkekler yüksek havada yıl hareketlisine.
You got it, B. You got it.
Big shallow, I smashed my face.
Yeah, you're pissing out of blood, you cunt.
You okay?
Nagranie.
Three, 2, 1, fuck!
Oh no, not! Oh! What are you doing?
It's stupid as a piece of shit!
Max Henry. Oh!
Are you okay?
Why'd you make a big mess?
Because it's beautiful.
What?
Because it is beautiful.
What's beautiful?
The mess I made.
Real quick.
Disney World!
We're going to Disney World?
Yes!
Yay, yay, yay!
Oh, wow, Dave! Why are you
I
crying?
don't want to.
Why not?
We're gonna do it.
Where do you want to go?
I don't know.
Elliot, did you get into my makeup?
That Mom kissing me.
Did you get into my makeup?
Yes.
Just a little bit?
A little bit.
Can I see your hands?
Yeah. Beep, beep, beep.
What happened to your arm?
I'm in my little habitat. Help me. Help me.
Whoa!
Jump into the snow.
Come on, pull it over. Miss the trees. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, hell. Get away from it. Where is he? Shit. Shit.
Whoa!
We go.
Here you go. Next time, be careful with your phone.
I gotta be careful when I propel. You just gotta propel it right, like the right way. Oh, motherfucker! Oh shit!
All right, ready? It's recording. Ready, set, go! Presley, go!
Here we go.
Come on, I got your tethers.
Take long for him to go though.
No, sir.
From the time when he pulled her over and she went boof and the flame was inside, we started dousing her with snow. We were at it for about 5 minutes, and we started trying to tear stuff off her and couldn't do a fucking thing with it.
Wicked. Yeah. The spindles are good. A-arms. I think so. I'd say that That's heavy. That's pretty heavy steel, though. Them A-arms. Yep. Okay. Is my eyebrow still there? Peace.
That's the gas shocks in that missile. Oh, that's what it is. Fuck.
I felt something hit me face then. I'm not.
Not me, is it?
Old man.
In the face, man.
You're all right though. Not a thing on you. Got that one on camera? You get that on camera? Yeah. She's rolling right now.
Oh, man. Holy Jesus.
So let's just stay away for a bit.